Got you here on the weekly, so I can see the overall pattern that got going on. As y'all can see, I got three lines. Basically, support and resistance lines have been following for the longest. So we have a possibility of this thing actually using this right here to be resistant support where it's at now and making a reversal and going back up. Or we can get it to come down here to the next line, which will be right here on the bottom of this wick, and they'll put it in line with this previous support line that we had for the longest, which means the low could come down to around 5 cents for a possibility. If it drops any lower, it's coming to 5 cents. If it drops any lower, because it's possibility this may be be as low as it go, but it could be from here 6 cents, or it could be 5 cents. But whichever one it decide to choose, we'll get a reversal, and clearly we should break our all-time high again. And like I mentioned before, if you've seen any videos in the past, we finally actually broke through right here the previous high where it started off at, and that's where we at below. So that's how we'll get a nice little jump out of here. Once we get back to this point around 8.5 cents, it's gonna start moving real fast, at least to this line right here, which will be right back up to where we started, and then we're gonna get an actual breakthrough this time, and then it's literally will be free game. It's nothing stopping it, and it's gonna make crazy moves. It ain't make a crazy move too much yet, you know what I'm saying, like it was in the past, but after we be on our way up now, it's gonna be up there. And of course, in all the coins is already out too, well, majority of them. So I mean, the price can go skyrocketing. This is weekly chart now. Keep in mind on the daily chart, how the way this looking, like it probably could just come down here to the 5 cent range, because 200 EMA is right there, and it's already well below the 100. And then also Bitcoin could possibly drop, and if that happens, of course, this might as well come touch the 200 EMA also, just like Bitcoin on the daily. In the 4 hour, yeah, it's definitely going down. So yeah, just low on this thing around 5 cents. Just soon touching this 200 EMA. From there, we should definitely have a reversal. And then our next target from the reversal will be up here. Overall target, be 15 cents. But I mean, depending on how you trade, you can trade by the EMAs, or you could trade by the last peaks. It's all up to you, you know what I mean? However you decide to do things. But anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grown, y'all make your own decisions. But like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.